Yeah, I might think that the Black Country, I got a lot of nature and wildlife, but I can tell you, since they closed all the factories, there ain't so much pollution and that. You can find loads of stuff, loads. Well, two or three different things any road. I'm going to talk about birds. Now, I don't mean wenches, I mean them flying things you get in your backyard. There must be, half a dozen or so that you can find. Round Darlaston, there's the sparrow. Now, I'm talking here about the house sparrow, not the tree sparrow. There ain't enough trees for tree sparrows. House sparrow, Passer domesticus. Domestic, right? House. There's the edge sparrow, but it ain't really a sparrow at all. Now, I'll show you. Look, I did this drawing of an house sparrow. It ain't very good, so I started to do this other one. Look, the main thing is, see his beak here? Beak. That's the house sparrow. This is the so-called edge sparrow, which ain't a sparrow at all. It's a dunnock. Different family altogether. This is a passerine, perching bird. This is something else. Prunellidae, I think it is. So this is for eating insects. This is for eating grains. Now you might see blackbirds from the Turdidae family. You might see a magpie, one for sorrow, two for joy. I've only ever seen one. What else? Now, you might have to go down to the cut to see some more. You can see, it's full of wildlife. Rots, not werter rots, they're just ordinary rots. Moorhens, they got the red beak with the yellow bit on the end. And there's the coot. They say bald as a coot because he's got a white thing on his forehead. Talking of rots, actually, my dad used to call the starling a flying rot. Looks like they've been dipped in oil. Flying rot, I suppose, because they're so common. And you eat all your scraps. Sturnus vulgaris. Vulgar, right? Common. Eh? Latin. Oh, I don't know why I bother.